When you step onto the wooden stairs of Rumo Aceh, the air begins to change. You can almost feel time slow down, as if the house itself is breathing, welcoming you into centuries of Acehese wisdom. Rumo Aceh is more than just a home. It is a living expression of faith, tradition, and resilience. Built to face east and west, its direction helps the family easily find the Qibla, a reflection of how daily life was always guided by belief. Standing 3 meters above the ground, the house protects its people from floods and earthquakes, and the stairs, always an odd number, remind each visitor that every step should begin with a prayer. Inside, every room has its own purpose. The front veranda welcomes male guests with respect. The middle room, or Rumo Inong, is where the family rests and the newlyweds begin their life together. At the back, women prepare meals and share stories, the heart of family warmth and togetherness. Beneath the house, children play in the shade, while women weave or pound rice, turning daily life into a rhythm of harmony. At night, Rumo Aceh transforms into a quiet sanctuary. The sound of prayer fills the air, and stories of ancestors echo softly in the walls. Rumo Aceh is not merely architecture, it is the spirit of a people. Each beam, each pillar holds a story of devotion, simplicity, and strength. As long as it stands, the house will continue to breathe, keeping alive the wisdom and beauty of Aceh's heritage.